Bryce Canyon National Park is located in Bryce, Utah. That's in the southern part of the state, and we were staying in Tropic, Utah, which was a short 13-minute drive into the entrance of the park. This over 35,000 acre national park has a $35 per vehicle entrance fee. Now that'll last you for 7 days. It's $30 if you're on motorcycle or $20 if you're on foot or bicycle. The main entrance of the park has an 18-mile long road with lots of stops like the visitor center, picnic tables, and viewpoints and hiking trailheads along the way. And if you don't want to drive the road, they do offer a free shuttle service. Originally established in 1923 as a national monument, this park became a national park in 1928. It was named after the Bryce family that had settled here in the late 1800s. Ebenezer Bryce had crops and cattle, and other settlers called the canyon at the end of the road Bryce's Canyon, and the name stuck. This park protects the highly colored and fantastically eroded rock formations like the hoodoos, the windows, the fluted cliffs, the bridges, and grottos. We always go to the visitor center first, just warning that this park is very busy. It was almost hard to find a parking spot in the visitor center parking lot, and we couldn't find a parking spot at the very end of the park at the Rainbow Point, so we weren't able to see the very end viewpoint. But besides the busyness, this park visitor center had a great gift shop and a museum where you can learn all about the park, and I loved learning about all the different hoodoos, which is just a fancy name for irregular rock formations or columns that there is all around the world. This park was so nice because it sits at an elevation between 7,000 and 9,000 feet. So you get the pine trees forest, we got cooler weather, which we hadn't had yet in Utah. So it was a really just beautiful place to see. There are multiple hiking opportunities in this park, ranging from easy to moderate to strenuous. We just did an easy hike, the Mossy Cave Trailhead hike. It's actually outside of the main road of the park. It's back on Highway 12, as you can see by the map. It's in the northern part of the park. It's just a short, less than a mile trail that will take you to a grotto or mossy cave. We went the other direction. We didn't actually see the cave. We went towards the waterfall.
Water's flowing pretty good, I think.
Make sure to look up when hiking this trail. There are some natural windows up there. Tropic Ditch Falls is a 40-foot waterfall that is man-made. The early settlers were looking to create water for their crops, so they created a ditch and they diverted the water from the East Fork and Sevier River near Tropic Reservoir in the efforts to do that. And the action resulted in the creation of a modest waterfall. This 40-foot falls is a beautiful sight to see, even though it is man-made. And for our friends who like to camp, they do have 2 campgrounds here. The North Campground has 100 campsites, 50 that are RV only and 46 that are tent only, and that is open year-round. And then the second campground is Sunset Campground, has 99 sites, which have 46 that are RV only and 52 that are tent only, and that one does close in the winter. They also have a lodge here with 114 rooms. We actually stayed in their lodge back in 2017. I have one picture of it. I didn't take many pictures back then because we didn't have a channel, but it is a very nice lodge, and you're super close to the sunrise and sunset points, which offer plenty of hiking opportunities, but we just went and saw the views. And the lodge also has a restaurant, so there are places for you to get food and drink there. So it's just a really nice place to stay. If you ever have a chance to stay in the national park, I think you should. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out Bryce Canyon National Park next time you're in southern Utah. And until next time, adventures are out there. Are you? Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye.
Adventures are out there. Come join us on this ride. From the Grand Canyon's majesty to the mountains high. With every mile we travel, in the beauty we will find. God's creations all around, so wondrous and so kind.